Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact JBL model and firmware. This matters because menus differ. Once confirmed, make sure both the speaker and your phone are charged above 20% and powered on. Low battery can force safety modes. Next, open the Bluetooth settings on your source device and remove any paired entries for the JBL speaker so you start fresh. While doing this, keep the JBL manual or model page handy for specific button combos. This saves time when you need to enter pairing or diagnostic modes. You now enter pairing and control options to change mono mode. If your model supports the JBL Portable or Connect app, open it and locate audio output or channel settings. The app often exposes mono/stereo toggles. If using a phone, go to Accessibility and Audio Routing to ensure stereo is enabled. Some phones force mono for accessibility. Once you find the option, toggle to stereo. Then use the app's firmware update and reset audio routing options. This ensures settings persist after a restart. You finish by repairing the JBL speaker to the source and playing a clear stereo test track to confirm left/right separation. If mono continues, perform a factory reset on the speaker using the model-specific button sequence. This clears corrupted settings that force mono. Once reset, repeat pairing and test again. If problems remain, try a different phone or player to isolate whether the speaker or source causes mono. If the speaker still outputs mono after all steps, contact JBL support or seek a hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.